Hello people, welcome back. Flir One Pro. I changed the battery and last charged it on the 29th of October 2020 and it was 12:50 in the afternoon, and that was charged to 100%. What I have been doing over the course up until now, I've been monitoring, turning the unit on, checking the battery level, and then turning it back up again and just leaving it on battery. So this is the one and only charge that I've done since I've replaced the battery on one of my previous videos. So let's have a look at a few things. This piece of paper states on the 2nd of November 2022 at around early hours in the morning it was 83%. On the 8th of November again in the evening 79%. So it has been discharging, but discharging at a very slow rate, okay, in comparison to the original battery would have been dead in a matter of a week, completely 0%. Okay, and the third one was on the 20th of November 2020 in the morning, and that was at 73%. And this was done on the 28th, which was yesterday, and it has come down to 44%. Now when you look at this, it's virtually over nearly 2 months. So second till the 2nd of December, I would say it's at 1 month, and 28th a couple of days away, but almost 2 months, and it's gone down to 44%, which is normal. There will be a drain, a very minute draw of current, and the battery will discharge over time. So it's taken 2 months nearly to get down to 44%. So I think it's a winner. The problem with the actual unit with this Flir One Pro is not the unit in general, but the battery is a very poor battery what Flir have actually sort of installed. Reasons why the battery would discharge so quickly. And this is a simple issue that they should have addressed very quickly. But it seems like I've had a lot of comments on some of my previous videos that you're walking into a brick wall when it comes to Flir. So I don't know what's happening, but it's just one of those things. So I'll just wait for this to turn on, and this is the 5th time I'll be turning on. So let's sort of get my phone ready. Okay. And let's just open up the app. The app opens up as soon as you connect the thermal imager. So let's sort of plug this in. All right. So we should have image. Okay. Let's go on to the 45%. 44%. All right, just dropped, but it's okay. And this is since the very first charge I did. That was back in a piece of sticky tape here on the 29th of October 2020. Okay, and it's still at 44%, which is absolutely brilliant. So I will leave a link on the description for the battery. I have done it on previous videos. I'm sure I've done it on the last one when I did the battery replacement, so do refer to that. Other than that, this is a win-win situation. So it's taken virtually 2 months for it to lose half of its battery capacity. When I say capacity, as if the charge capacity, not the actual true capacity of the battery. So it's the charge is come down to 44%. Absolutely brilliant. Now ideally what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it at around about 50%, because this is getting used not sort of often, and it's being utilized in storage more. 50% is what I would recommend for charge. I'm going to keep that as a reference anyway until next time I use it or get shut of it. But yeah, the battery was charged at that date, so there you have it. So it is a win-win situation. So get replacing your batteries, and this Flir One Pro will be working as it should be out of factory. Very disappointed with the Flir anyway, because of not sort of putting a recall out and allowing customers to sort of resolve this issue by replacing the battery. There you have it. That's all, guys. Take care, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Peace.